Hi, it's Andy. Welcome or welcome back to the channel. I hope you're well. Today I'm going to be trying to make a strawberry mojito ice cream in the Ninja Creami Deluxe. And we're going to see by the end of this video whether that is going to be a very foolish idea or whether the flavour combination will be absolutely delicious. So I'm going to head down to the kitchen. Come with me. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is to take my cream cheese. And I took that out of the fridge about half an hour ago to make it easier to blend in. And I'm going to add to that the sugar, and then I'm going to whisk them together. There, that's looking good now. So the next thing I need to do is to take my strawberries and my mint and pop them into a blender. These are strawberries that I bought yesterday. They were less than perfect, so I think they'll be absolutely perfect for this recipe. So I'm going to pop them in, and then I've got the mint that I picked from the garden just a few minutes ago, so I'm going to pop that in, and then we'll do that, and then I'm just going to blend them together. So now that's finished, all blended in together. You can smell the strawberries and the mint as well. It smells such a sort of summer smell, amazing. So the next thing I need to do is to take some of the liquid that we've just blended up, and it's about a third of a cup that we need to 85 mils of the strawberry and mint mix that we're going to whisk together. Oh, nearly. With the cream cheese and the sugar that I've already started to put together. So I'm just going to start to whisk that in a bit. So you can see that it's coming together really nicely. And then I'm going to add in the lime zest that I zested earlier. Put all that in. And then whisk that in too. That's looking good to me. So then I'm going to mix in the remainder of the strawberries and mint. All in together. And then again, just bring that all together. Then I'm going to add in my lime juice. And then I'm going to mix in the white rum. I'm using this white rum from the East London liquor company. It's one that I use in my cocktails regularly, so I like it, and nice to try and support a sort of smaller distributor as well. See, that looks perfect to me. There, and then finally I'm going to whisk in my milk and my cream, so I'm just going to do that a bit at a time. And then finally I'm going to add the cream in a little bit at a time, without making too much mess. Great. It does just smell amazing. I think that's one of the nicest things about making your own ice cream, is just like, you know, all of the ingredients that have gone in there. I'd say I put in a little bit less sugar than I think possibly it was recommended in the recipe. So now I'm just going to pour this into a tub. And then it will go in the freezer. So now I've got my Ninja tub. Normally I do try and put these in the freezer before I put things into there, but this time I just didn't really have time. So I'm going to put this in, just up to the max fill line. Okay, so I'm back 24 hours later, and the ice cream has been in the freezer. Looking a good colour, so I'm just going to pop it into the Ninja. Right, so that's just finished. Let's take it out and have a look. Oh, actually, so just looking at it, it's come out, I'm not sure it's very easy to see, but it's come out a little bit powdery. So I'm just going to respin it, which does seem to solve that problem. Right, let's take that out and see if this is any better. Oh yeah, that looks a lot better actually. Take it out. So it's gone to a nice kind of consistency now. So I'm just going to serve some up into some bowls. So I've just grabbed a nice sprig of mint from the garden and going to have a taste. I'd say you definitely get that kind of mojito type flavouring because you've got the mint and the strawberries. Yeah, it's really tasty, and definitely that respin really did what it needed. I think Jed's just tasted some too, and has also given a thumbs up, so it's all good. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching this recipe. If you did, please give us a big thumbs up on this video, and if you could subscribe to our channel too, that would be super. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.